So this is the buffing video for the manicure unit. Now if you're going to be buffing, you would be buffing after the massage has taken place, and so then you would find that the nail plate would have a layer of grease on each of the nail plates. So you would just need to clean the area, or sometimes people call that squeaking the nail plate. You just take some nail varnish remover onto some cotton wool, and then just try not to go all the way over the edge of the cuticle, just wipe clean the nail plate. Okay, over each of the nail plates. So then you've removed the grease from the massage cream or massage lotion. Okay, so then we're going to use your buffer. So with this particular buffer, we have a blue side and a white side and then a grey side. Sometimes it's replaced by a pink side with a white and a blue, or sometimes it's a black with a white and a blue. So we're going with a grey, sorry. We are going to be using the blue side first, moving from the white side, and lastly finishing with the grey side. Now you're going to think of the nail in two halves. We're going to be avoiding the matrix area at the top here, because if you press on there, you could damage the soft cells and create white spots, which is leukonychia. We're going to think of each of the nail in two parts, this side and this side. And when you work with your buffer, you're going to be placing your finger behind to support and come down and around the nail plate with about 4 or 5 strokes. Okay, so you can see half of the nail has been buffed there. And then using your thumb as support behind the other side, you're going to come down the nail on the left hand side. Then you're going to repeat that for the white. Again, your finger goes behind as support. So down on the right hand side, about 4 or 5 times. You don't need to press hard, you let the buffer do the work, and then pop your thumb behind to support for the left hand side. And then lastly, you're going to finish with your grey, and this is what's going to create the shine. So you come down, nice, long, sweeping movements. Okay, using your buffer, nice, long, sweeping movements. You don't want to be going back and forward like that. If you're going back and forwards like that, you can create friction on the nail, and actually it can cause burning and splitting. So you're going to be using nice, long, sweeping movements. And you can just see the shine on that nail there. Okay, if I show you on the thumb, you should be able to get a bit of more of a look. If I do the thumb this way here, so I'll show you again. So we're going to use the file to come down on the left hand side of the nail, avoiding the matrix. So we're starting with the blue, from cuticle to free edge, working down, okay, and then the left hand side of the nail plate. Okay, and then we're going to go with the white. Nice, long, sweeping movements from cuticle to free edge, and then put your thumb behind as you're coming down the left hand side, and then lastly finish with your grey to come down the right hand side, and then use your thumb to support to come down on the left hand side, and that will help to smooth out. You can see there the shine on that now in comparison to the others.